Quotes about happiness. One of the happiest moments ever is when you find the courage to let go of what you can't change. The life that you are living now is also a dream of millions, so always be satisfied with your life and be happy in every moment of life. If you have the power to make someone happy and smile, do it because the world needs more of that. Be happy, not because everything is good, but because you can see the good in everything. Happiness is not a destination, it's a way of life. If being happy is important to you, try this instead of regretting all you lack. Celebrate all you have got. Enjoy the little things in life, for one day you may look back and realize they were the big things. Happiness is attained by three things: being patient when tested, being thankful when receiving a blessings, and being repentant upon sinning. Happy is the person who learns to wait as he prays and never loses his patience. Allah will give you the best. If you want to be happy, don't dwell in the past. Don't worry about the future. Focus on living fully in the present. Always pray that Allah makes you satisfied and happy with whatever He has decreed for you. Happiness comes when you stop complaining about the troubles you have and thank Allah for the troubles you don't have. The best feeling of happiness is when you are happy because you have made somebody else happy. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. So think positive and be happy. Remember, being happy doesn't mean you have it all. It simply means you are thankful for all you have. Happy people are always happy not because everything is right in their life. They are happy because their attitude towards everything is right.